go again.
Hey everybody, that's Robert.
That's Julie. And guess what?
It's our thing.
It is. It is. And I got a stick. I still got a stick. I had a stick in the last video that we goofed up.
We're having a... No. Technical difficulties.
The problem was with me. I don't know. But I got a stick. It's okay.
We went to JoAnn's.
Yep, we did. And I got a stick.
And we spent some money.
Yeah, we did.
Bought some candy. Caramel apple.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Oh, you've already been into them.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
And...
No.
I got his sister a little gnome for her keychain. Because she loves gnomes. She could wear it as a necklace.
No.
Everything we got was half off. The main thing that I went in there for was... Show the pill on. Let me hold that.
There you go.
This Pellon. Okay, you put it back over there.
This stuff is kind of a flame retardant kind of material.
Mm-hmm.
And she was going to use a bunch of it, and she couldn't find it anywhere.
I've been looking everywhere for it.
And I decided, hey, I got to go out to the train store today because they're having a sale. Anyway, so while we're out there, there was a JoAnn's right down the street from the train store. So I said, check this JoAnn's and see if they got it.
So we went in because I make these bowl koozies. Yes, it's stars. I like Boston Bruins, but they don't have Boston Bruins here in Dallas.
He's a Pasternak fan.
So what it is you put your, I'm going to use the candle as an example, bowl. And you put your bowl in here, and you stick it in the microwave, and you pull it out, and your hands aren't hot because it is, or your bowl's not hot, burning your hands because it's a
heat resistant.
Heat resistant. What else did you get?
And they had Christmas ornaments 50% off, so I got this little guy. And
he's cute.
I thought he was cool looking, but he was $10, and I got it for $5.
I got gingerbread. Gingerbread was...
Is that thing recording? Yeah, it's recording.
This one was 10. I got it for 5. Isn't he cute? Love it, love it, love it. Okay, now, I do his nephew's wife.
I guess she'd be my niece by marriage or some
niece
kind
by
of...
marriage. Anyway, I've been doing, I started her nutcracker collection last year. And I've been buying the plain nutcrackers because her home is...
Is it modern?
Yeah, very modern. And so I got the plain, I'm getting her the plain nutcrackers. And you know how you can tell a real nutcracker from a fake one?
It's got a little groove in it.
The real nutcracker has a groove. The fake nutcrackers are smooth. That's how you can tell this is a decorator.
That's a decorator one?
Well, while we were in there, I was looking at the Christmas. I have some Christmas material back here because I've got stockings that I made last year. And and I have those for sale. If anybody wants them, get them out of the channel. Let me know. Well, you can let us know here, right?
I guess you can.
Yeah. So anyway, or you can go in to my
She has another channel, so do I.
Yeah. So I can't say it on here, can I?
Yeah, you can.
Cook and Clean with Julie B.
There you go. She just did.
So anyway, I bought some gingerbread material. I have material that I can use to do a backing with this, like this, because it's two-tone. Then I bought, we looked at this dog material. It was so cute.
It was really cool.
But it had glitter on it, so I couldn't use it, put it in the microwave because it would catch fire.
Be popping everywhere.
I found, what? I love coffee and cats. I found some cat material. then I was going down the aisle and I found this candy cane candy material, and it was really cool. And so I got some of that. So if y'all want to go to my other channel, I have a picture of the bowl cozy and everything. Did I say the candy?
I'm wrestling with Werther's caramels and apple. They're tasty, but they're gooey, and they stuck to the paper, and that really makes me mad because they're hard to eat.
Okay.
But they're tasty.
So these were $5.99 a piece. There's 3 in here. And I'm going to make a garland or something with these, and then
They had the boys and the girls.
I got the boys.
I know. You even got some reindeer.
I got the boys right here.
Yeah. She got some reindeer too. She
And
got all the reindeer.
This is all 50% off. Then I got some really cool reindeer garland. I'm going to get these all fixed up and cutesy-fied. Then I got 2 of those.
Snow what?
Then I got some snowflakes. I got 2 bags of those. And these all were like regularly $4.99. I got them for $2.50. Except for the gingerbread. The gingerbread I got for...
For some reason, we went to Hobby Lobby and we went to JoAnn's.
We didn't go to Hobby Lobby.
Last week we did.
Oh, yeah, we went everywhere.
And everybody's got their Christmas stuff on for half off. And it's not even Thanksgiving yet, so...
And so what I did was, I have not put my tree up. We did buy a new tree.
Yeah, we bought a new tree.
But... We're not putting it up till Thanksgiving night.
Right, because we're traditionalists.
Because I would like for the turkey to have his day, so I took down my Halloween and I bought like a little Happy Harvest truck, and I put my pumpkin patch, bonfire, s'mores, coffee, that kind of thing out, and put all my pumpkins everywhere. And then I've got a football gnome, I've got 2 little gnomes over here in this pumpkin patch, and I've got 2 over here. I don't have a lot of gnomes, and it says fall, sweet fall. Mr. Bob?
There's not a problem. I just don't want any gnomes. I don't like gnomes. Gnomes get on my nerves.
They're everywhere.
I know. That's why they get on my nerves. They're everywhere.
So anyway, we're being traditional this year. I'm not putting up a tree. I'm a content creator. I know I am. I do cleaning. I do decorating. But I'm not going to sit there and put my Christmas up now because I will be sick of it by January 6th. That's when it goes down.
We live with 4th of July, red, white, and blue. Basically from the 1st of January to when?
Memorial Weekend.
Memorial Week. I thought it was sooner than that, a lot sooner than that, but we live with it forever. And after a while, I mean, I'm patriotic and all that good stuff. But
we have a red, white, and blue kitchen. If you see my channel, you'll see it.
It gets old after a while, and I mean, you know, but
we get
red, white, and blue
tired of
gets
it.
on your nerves like
I
gnomes.
love it. Don't get me wrong, but some people like red, white, and blue 24/7. Not this girl.
No. So
I
anyway,
have to have it regardless.
So is that all we got?
I think that's all we got.
I got my stick and this little guy. I'm out $1.30, $1.22, something like that for my stick. We went by the train store also, and I got some stuff. I spent a whole $12.99. I feel really good about it.
I thought you said $13.
$12.99. And that's all. That's our stuff for this week. Nothing else.
It seems like everybody likes our JoAnn's hauls.
Yeah, JoAnn's is a different place.
But I get some really cool stuff there too.
The one we went to this time was in Hurst, Texas, and it's one place we very rarely go to because it's kind of out of the way, and we normally go to the one in Grapevine. It's a little closer, but the one in Hurst is bigger, so they have a little more stuff. And
yeah, they just so happen to have the Pell on because I was there. I said, and I showed her the piece of paper I had. I said, I am looking for this. And she goes, I don't know if I have it. No, is it in my wallet?
So anyway, she knew what it exactly was, and
she
had
knew
a ton
what it
of
was.
it.
So what she did, she looked it up on her phone, and she was like, we have it. And I said, where? I didn't see any. I said, I didn't see any on the rack over there. She goes, it was around the corner on an end cap. So, I took my medicine. I'm sorry. So she went around and got a thing of it. And I said, let's see how many yards is there. She goes, you need all of it? And I said, well, yeah. And then Robert goes, do you have a bolt of it? She goes, I think I do have a bolt over there. And he goes, great, let's buy the bolt. So, and we got it, it was like $163. We got it for $63.
Yeah, so it was on sale and everything. So one of the things about JoAnn's that you need to know is a lot of times they have a mailing thing where you get their coupons and stuff in their web app, and you can save a whole, I think the bill was, would have been $350, and we saved like $150, $250. We saved a ton. It was crazy. Yeah. But anyway,
because all of this came out to $143.
Yeah, and that includes a huge amount of fabric.
Yeah, so $65 of it was fabric.
So anyway,
no, probably about $70 was fabric.
Over half.
Yeah.
So are we done?
I think so.
We're done. Stick a fork in it. That's Julie.
I know. I need to take a nap now.
That's Julie.
That's Robert. Y'all have a great day.
We'll see you later. And it's our thing. I don't care. Do you care?
Not really.
She does too. She cares
a
lot.
Really
she just doesn't tell anybody. Anyway, we'll see y'all later. Bye.
Bye. We actually got that one off.